Hello, day 76, speaking challenge every single day on camera. I learn English. Today I will practice my speaking and share it with you. First question, which do you prefer, to buy new released e-products as soon as possible or to wait for a while and then decide whether you want to buy or not? It doesn't depend on releasing products, like my desire to buy something. I want to buy some new e-products for me only if my old e-products was dead or was broken, something like this, if I really need this. So it doesn't depend on releasing of some company. But answering these questions, I would prefer to wait for a while in any case and to estimate how does it work, this new e-product, to see some reviews on internet or like feedbacks from users, and then I will buy it if I really need this. Second task, what is the male student opinion about teach-free zones? At university was organized new zones like for chilling, relaxation, and it was set up like interaction, some screens and digital, I don't know, games, maybe something like this. So male students, he doesn't really agree with with the whole idea of this teach-free zones, because the social interaction, it's not for everyone, and maybe for someone it depends on personality. For someone it is more comfortable to spend time alone, and it's not the way of relaxation, like for everybody. Yeah, when it comes to students' life, firstly they need to ask students' opinion and then change something. How has the evolution of technology influenced the development of animation styles and storytelling techniques? Yeah, animation styles had been changed really so much through the decades, because firstly, before all the technology progress, obviously mostly it was handwriting, and all the cartoons, this first style of cartoons were pictures were drawn by a real human hand, and it was just a simple stories. But then in 21st century, with the technology progress, it has become much more interesting and diverse. So right now, with the digital, our ability to create literally anything, we can witness not only just simple pictures, but real stories, real characters. We can literally live their lives, during watching a movie or cartoon, and feel everything, feel emotions. It became much more realistic. Describe the ways in which the conservation efforts are protecting the coral reefs. Yeah, coral reefs are really being in danger right now. By the way, they occupy only 1% of ocean floor, and it is home for approximately 25% of all species what you can find in the ocean. And due to climate change, climate warming, pollution, it is becoming more and more likely that in the future coral reefs will die. So we need to protect, humans need to protect it as better as we could. To protect, to refresh coral reefs, even some scientists, they trying to grow artificially these corals, not in the environment, not exactly in the ocean, just in some laboratory, and then implement there in the ocean. So we can increase the population of coral reefs in the future, and also we enhancing the ecotourism, trying to limit fishing or make it more environmentally friendly, so that not to destroy corals. Okay, I'm done. Bye bye then.